the application of various products like foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, lipstick, and more to highlight and accentuate facial features. Makeup can range from subtle, everyday looks to bold, dramatic styles for special occasions. It has the power to boost confidence, complement outfits, and express individuality. Whether it's a quick touch-up or an elaborate routine, makeup offers endless possibilities for transformation and self-expression. With the right techniques and tools, anyone can master the art of makeup and use it to reflect their unique personality.